Welcome back to Extreme RC13, and today's video we're going to be doing an unboxing on this Losi MST Gravedigger 118 scale monster truck. So let's get into this video. You're probably wondering why there's bottles up here. Simply that's because I saved these bottles for so long because there's 10 cents deposit on them. So I paid $150 for this truck because I saved my bottles for a really long time, probably about a year. So if you can save your bottles and you want to save your money on getting something good for cheap, drink Pepsi. Just kidding. But save your bottles, cash them in, put them to good use. That's what I did today on this Losi monster truck. So let's open this up. So it comes with the battery. It's a 50C 2-cell LiPo battery. It comes with the charger, the cable, and a USB. It is ready to run. The length is 10.9 inches. The width is 8.1. Ground clearance is 6.9. No, 0.9. The height is 6.9. So, right off the bat, I like this, how it says QC pass. So they actually took the time and they tested this out. This is the first time I've ever seen this on an RC car, where they actually test the cars out. Although I've seen that on the MST too. So we got the Gravedigger family on the side here. It's a pretty cool box art they got going on. Moment of truth. Let's open this up. Got a nice little handle here so we can pull up on it. Get it up on the ad here. Let's see, how are we going to get this out? This box is nice. Let's get that off to the side. Take a look at this truck. Wow. This is really nice. Definitely feels well. Got some good weight to it. I thought this was all plastic. It's actually looks like it's powder coated, which is pretty cool. So let's see what else comes with it. So you have your receiver. This is going to be the SLT2 Spectrum. It's a good transmitter. It's not too bad. Fully proportional steering. And we get our instructions. Nice little Losi sticker. It comes with a, it's an IC2 or EC2 connector. So you can run your different batteries if it's not a Spectrum battery. Comes with 4 AA batteries for the transmitter. Let's open this up. It comes with a nice little poster. That's a cool poster. I kind of wish I got a Gravedigger poster because I did purchase the Gravedigger, not the son of a Gravedigger. But that's still pretty cool. It'd be nice to hang up here on the back. This is the owner's manual, and yeah, we don't really use those. This is the warranty and the connector guide info. It's the EC2 connector and an EC3. That's what the adapter's for. So that's the adapter. Little tool, take the wheels off. Got a nice little decal. Thank you for your purchase. And this is a pretty cool little card. You can scan it and see what it says. 4 AA batteries. Okay. So now into the fun part, the truck, because that's what we're all here for. So that's pretty cool box art on the background. It's got, looks like it's in a stadium with some dirt. We gotta cut these out. So I'm gonna take my snips, snip it out. car comes right out. And here we have the Losi Mini LMT Gravedigger. Get a look at that. Open diffs. Yep, open diffs. They're not locked. Now this is the body clip, how it holds in. I've seen a couple guys on YouTube already, so I do know how to open it. There's a little spin tab here. Spin it. Line it up with that. There's 1 and 2, and then 1 right here. You gotta do the same right here. And then the body is supposed to come right up. And your battery is in here and everything. I don't think it's charged or anything. So we're gonna do another video on that. Testing this out. Look at the detail that goes into this though. It's got the headers right here. A little sidebar. A full cage and everything with a little person in there. The camera's picking that up. You can see the guy in there. And these actually light up, these lights, which will be pretty cool to see. Can we plug it in? See if it... Let's just plug it in and see if it lights up. How do you plug this thing in? There's the power right here from the battery. Where is this plugged into? Okay, so I did find out where it plugs in, and if you right on over here on the side is where it plugs into. So you take this right here, kind of in a bad spot. So it's upside down. It doesn't plug in. Okay. You know, it is hard to see. Never had an RC car with a plug right there. Okay, so that is plugged in. That is a pain to take in. Okay, so it did power on. And look at that. I'm going to turn the lights off for 1 second because I want to see these pink lights. So there it is lit up. It's a little pinkish, not too much red. I was hoping for a little bit more red. But for what it is, it's pretty cool. I think it's a good overall looking truck. Looks like a good truck though. It feels like it's well made. It's got some really good weight to it. Not sure how much it weighs, but first upgrade we are going to be doing this. Axles, because I see a lot of guys on here saying that their axles break because it's so low. So that's going to be my first project. I'm going to get green anodized axle covers, or I might just buy a pair of aluminum ones and bring them off to my old job and have them powder coat it. So that's another option we got. And then shocks. The shocks feel a little, you know, blah. So, but Gravedigger body, love it. Happy I purchased it. It's on Amazon for $2.79. I had $150 off from my bottles, so do the math. Got a really good deal on it. Drank a lot of Pepsi, and we got to it. Nice little wheelie bar. Gonna have to upgrade that. Maybe 3D print a wheelie bar. And yeah. So if you like the video, share the video. Hit that subscribe button because we'll be doing a test video probably within a couple days. And we'll go from there and see how it is. Hopefully it's pretty good. I think it's going to be good, but won't be too positive till we get it out and test it out. I don't want to break it because it is an expensive car. So if If you like the video, share the video, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Thank you.